Hello guys, the guys should be coming here today, and I'm going to be meeting them at where they're staying, and maybe we'll come back here and enjoy an afternoon. Depends on the weather, obviously. The weather's good at the moment, so maybe they'll come back and we might spend an afternoon here, and we might even christen the Tiki Bar. You never know. So stay tuned and let's roll the intro, and then let's get on with the day as a road trip part 2. Hi guys, why wouldn't you want to come to Thailand? Huh? Look at this. Awesome. Come visit. So this is where they're staying. I recommended it. Kiran in Phangnga. Nice place. Reasonable rates. They're up here somewhere, so I shall wait down here for them. Guys, we've got a few YouTubers here. Let's say hello. We've got Joe, hey. Chuck, James, Dave, Mitch, and Bruce. Nice one. And we're christening. I said James.
Santa Claus is over there.
Santa's here, and he shouldn't be.
Here's to Tony.
Yeah, and we've christened the Tiki Bar.
Cheers. Yes, we did.
First beers at the Tiki Bar. Cheers, guys. Looking forward to the riding tomorrow, everybody. So the road trip for me, part 2 of this video, starts today. The guys were around last night, as you see in the video. Just had a couple of quiet beers at the Tiki Bar, and now I'm off to meet them at the hotel, and then we're off down to Krabi this morning. So follow it, and I'll get a little bit of footage, do some live. You will see some live streams on Facebook and also on YouTube. Morning everybody. So I'm here at the hotel picking all the guys up, and we're off to Ao Nang, and we're going to take in a viewpoint of Phangnga, which is about 10-15 minutes away from here, and then from the viewpoint we're going to go round and down into Ao Nang. So the guys are all set. It's just fueling up here, and then we're about 10 minutes out from the twisties and the viewpoint over Phangnga. So all the bikes set up, fueling up. Through the twisties, guys, and we've come up to the viewpoint with everybody. Let's do a 360. A 360. Same place, guys. So guys, the place that I visited before with a video, we're back at Wat Bang To. Built for the king, 7 to 10 years, and it is stunning. Absolutely stunning. The people that come visit here, this is on the way to Krabi. It's in Our Look. And over on the right hand side there, that's where you put your shoes, and I think there's the fee. I think it's about 20 baht. About 20 baht to get in, and you go through, walk all the way around and go inside the temple, and as you'll see, it's a pretty amazing structure, and you've got a lot of other more structures around. And that's the entrance where we do. There's a good coffee shop here, and just outside there's a few little places to eat if you want to. The bathrooms are over there, restrooms are over there. Go through and it goes around and all the way down along here. It follows all the monks all the way down. It goes across the square and all the way back, and pretty stunning, huh? So guys, we've been to the viewpoint and we went to the Blue Lake by the limestone rocks, and now we're in the temple. And we just had a good look around. We're just stopping for a water or coffee, just a little break, then on our way down to Al Nang, and here's the guys to slip you around, the guys enjoying their coffee. The tourist policeman wanted to have a photograph with us all in front of the temple, which is all good, guys. Another day in Thailand.